Okay, this is our new camera that we've got. Actually, it's just our third FX6. So I decided to do a little unboxing video showing how all of this stuff comes out of the box. We don't really rig out our FX6s too much. We only add a few different things to the camera body to make it practical and worthwhile. We run pretty light, so mostly we're just shooting straight on the body, no extra rigging around it. You can see all of the packaging that it comes with. We don't really buy secondhand equipment, and we don't rent equipment as part of this media team, and if it was up to me, I might push back on that a little bit, but I don't mind getting some new equipment. So you can see the FX6 and all of its accessories that come in the box. It's pretty much quite a streamlined kit to set up. There's not really too much to do, and that's what it looks like when it's all set up and ready to go. I'm adding a cold shoe V mount to the top. That's the proprietary one that comes with the kit, opposed to the regular small rig cold shoe mount that I would usually add. That's this one, because I think we lost a bunch of those proprietary ones a while ago. But anyway, the Anton Bauer wooden camera sliding V mount attachment, that's the one we use. It's not the cheapest, but it's probably the best. And this is what you can see without the lens. That's how compact it is. That's usually what it looks like when it gets packed into one of our camera bags. And in the next clip, you'll see it with the lens all set up. And this is why I break things down. We could probably fit this in a camera bag, but you'll see what I've got to deal with in the next clip. This is all of our Sony equipment, so we usually go 2 cameras in one bag, so I mean just trying to fit all this shit in one bag is a nightmare sometimes, but that's our Sony cameras and some lenses and the batteries, and these are our new bags as well, timber bags, and I'm going to spend a little bit of time organizing that.